Welcome to the Weather Centre on Tuesday, where we've had a hot couple of days over South Africa's interior. The sizzling hot weather continues over the central and northern interior on Tuesday, but as a high-pressure ridge is in over the eastern parts, it brings in cooler air, and that breaks the heatwave conditions in the northeast. It also brings in rainfall mainly along the Eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal coastline. We'll see isolated to scattered thundershowers forming over the northeastern and eastern interior later on in the day, with partly cloudy and warm weather over the western and southern parts. There's a high fire danger warning in the shade of red with runaway fires possible on Tuesday, and there's a watch for the possibility of severe thunderstorm developments for Gauteng, parts of Mpumalanga, Limpopo, the northwest and KwaZulu-Natal, with potentially large hail and damaging wind, and the advisory for heatwave conditions continues for the Free State, the northwest and the northern part of the Northern Cape on Tuesday. You'll see the chance of rainfall due to that ridging high along the Eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal coastline, with scattered thunderstorms as we head towards Mpumalanga, Gauteng and Limpopo. Isolated though as we head towards the northwest and the Free State. You'll see cooler weather over the extreme northeastern part of the country. 23 degrees for Ermelo and Bombela. A few degrees cooler but still warm for Gauteng with highs in the low 30s. Sizzling hot with heatwave conditions continuing in the northwest. A scorching hot 40 degrees for Vryburg. We head into the mid-30s for Bloemfontein and Welkom. Still warm for Ladysmith at 27, but with a cooler day for Pietermaritzburg at 19, and you'll see highs in the low and middle 20s over the Eastern Cape interior. We head into the low 20s as we head towards the coast with an east-southeasterly wind of around 30 kilometres per hour for Port Elizabeth and East London. Light winds are expected as we head up the east coast, and we're expecting a 2-metre south-southwesterly swell. You'll see maximum temperatures peaking in the upper 20s and low 30s over the interior part of the Western and Eastern Cape on Tuesday, with a southeasterly wind for Muizenberg at 26, and we stick with that southeast as we head towards Mossel Bay, Jeffreys Bay and Plettenberg Bay, with fresh winds in the forecast, and we'll see a 2-metre southwesterly swell at 12 seconds. Sizzling hot over the northern part of the Northern Cape with highs in the upper 30s, 29 as we head towards Sutherland, 21 for Alexander Bay with a south-southeasterly wind. You'll see a southwesterly wind for Lambert's Bay and a fresh southeaster for Cape Town at 28 with a 2.5-metre southwesterly swell. On Wednesday, we're forecasting thundershowers in the northeast with cloudy, wet and cool weather continuing over the eastern parts, partly cloudy and hot for the rest of South Africa. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Have a great Tuesday.